Okay, let us continue our classes on matrices. See, in this class, let us learn about two important statements or theorems regarding symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, so here, see what are the two statements I am going to explain in this class. So observe the statements carefully. So theorem, as we say. So what is the first statement? For any square matrix with real number entries, A plus A dash. So here A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So if we add a matrix and its transpose, we will get a symmetric matrix. If we subtract it, then we get a skew symmetric matrix. So it is one of the statements or theorems. So we shall verify some of the examples in this class. Afterwards, we can prove the theorem. So you don't worry about the proof here. So only remember the statement. Okay, let me read it again. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the first statement. See then, what is the second statement here? See, any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means, so if A is a square matrix, then that matrix can be written as, see here, half is a scalar, half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. So we can write it as a sum of symmetric and skew. See, this one is symmetric matrix, half into A plus A dash, then half into A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, these are the two important statements. So how can we understand these two statements? See, one example is given here. See, we have to express this matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Then I have taken another example. Show that the matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. Then another example is, for the matrix, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. So this is our first statement. Then A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Then next example, find half into A plus A dash. See, half into A plus A dash and half into A minus A dash, with the matrix is given here. Then in the last example, we can express the following matrices as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So here there are four examples. See, four matrix. So we have considered four matrices. So we have to express this as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay. Then the last example is, show that the matrix A is a symmetric. We have to show that it is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So let us understand one by one. See, I am considering this first statement. For any, you have to write the statement. For any square matrix A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. That is the first statement. So second statement is, any square matrix can be written as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So all these are examples regarding those two statements. So we shall solve all these problems in this class, and let us explain these two statements. Okay. See here, first let us work out this problem here. See, for the matrix A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Let us give this number 1. Then let us take up this example here. So what is the matrix given? So the given matrix is 1, 5, 6, 7. So let us take up that example. So we will call it as 1. So given matrix is 1, 5, 6, 7. So here we have to verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Okay. So let us consider the transpose here. A dash is equal to, see, rows and columns must be interchanged here. Okay, this is the transpose of the given matrix. Now what we have to find out? So we have to find out A plus A dash. So in the next step you consider A plus A dash. So that is, given matrix is 1 5 6 7 plus, so A dash is 1 5 6 7. See, we have to add the two matrices. So corresponding element should be added here. We know this. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 5 plus 6, that is 11. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 7 plus 7, that is 14. Okay. See, here we got this square matrix here. See, you give these diagonal elements. See, this 11 is equal to 11. So here clearly we can say that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Okay, this is plus 11 and this is also equal to 11. So this is a symmetric matrix. So next, consider the difference. Let's see what happens. A minus A dash. So that is, so let us write the matrix. So what is the given matrix here? 1 5 6 7 minus, so transpose of this is, so next we have to subtract here. 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 6 it is minus 1, 6 minus 5 it is 1, 7 minus 7 0. See here, A minus A dash. See here, diagonal elements are 0 and the remaining elements are equal and opposite. So this is the exactly how the skew symmetric matrix looks. Therefore A plus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So here we have shown that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So you can take your own examples. So here we have considered this example. See this example, 1 5 6 7. See, if A is any square matrix, then A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So this one is considered as first example. Okay, so that is the first theorem or first statement, as we can say here. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So that completes our first statement. Okay, so next let us consider, see this problem. So what the problem says here, show that the matrix, show that the matrix, this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. We have to show that it is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let us consider that one. So let us give that as a second. Okay, second one. So we have to show that the given matrix is skew symmetric. So what is the given matrix here? So that is given in the problem here, 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1, then 1 minus 1 0. So we have to show that it is a skew symmetric matrix. So what is the definition of skew symmetric matrix? To say that this matrix is skew symmetric, we have to show that, see, I am repeating once again, by the definition of skew symmetric matrix, when we call this matrix as a skew symmetric, we have to show that A is equal to minus A dash. See here, we have to show that A is equal to minus A dash. We have to show that A is equal to minus A dash, or A dash is equal to minus A. Both are same here. You can take up any one here. A is equal to minus A dash or A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, so let us show this one here. So therefore given matrix is A here, so let us take the transpose here. So what is the transpose of that matrix here? A dash is equal to 0 1 minus 1. So interchange the rows and columns. Minus 1 okay 1, so this is 1. Okay, let me write this. A dash is equal to, so interchanging the rows and columns, 0 1 minus 1, then minus 1 0 1, then last is 1 minus 1 0. So this is the transpose of the given matrix A dash. Okay, so let us multiply both sides by minus 1. Then what happens? Minus 1 is a scalar, so minus A dash. So what happens if I multiply every element by minus 1? See, 0 into minus 1 0, minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1, then minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, then it will be 0, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, then minus 1 into 1, that is 1, then minus 1 into this is minus 1, then it will be what? 0. See here now, the diagonal elements are 0, so this is minus A dash. I got minus A dash on the right hand side. Diagonal elements are 0 and upper half and lower half elements, observe this. See, top of minus 1, this is plus 1, then plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1. Clearly this is a skew symmetric matrix. So what we got on the right hand side, clearly it is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, what we proved? Therefore A is equal to minus A dash. That implies this A is a skew symmetric matrix. So that is, show that the matrix, see here, show that the matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. This one is over and we have also solved this one. So okay, let us go for next statement. So what is the next statement? What is the next statement here? See, any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is the statement. So this is very, very important here. Half is a scalar, half into A plus A dash plus half into A minus A dash. So we can write any square matrix like this. Okay, so here, see, one example is given here. Express the matrix 2. So here first row is express the matrix 2 minus 3. So here 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4, then 1 minus 2 minus 3 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So let us consider this matrix. So matrix is given as that is B is given as, so I will write the matrix that is given in the problem. 2 minus 2 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. So we have to write this matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, that means according to the statement, you can write this as half into, see, half into matrix plus its transpose, half into B plus B dash plus half into B minus B dash. So we have to write like this here: matrix, sum of matrix and its transpose, difference of matrix and its transpose. So half is a scalar. So we have to calculate all these things. So first I will consider this one and afterwards I can simplify this. Okay, you note down the matrix here. So what are the things we want? So we want the transpose here. So that is b dash. So let us write the transpose here. So b dash is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 4 4 and minus 3. So this is b dash. Okay, transpose of the given matrix. Now we have to add b and b dash. So we have to find out what? B plus b dash. We have to find out this. So let us consider b plus b dash. So let me write this matrix here. 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4, then 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus. So the transpose here is 2 minus 2 minus 4, then minus 1 3 4, then last column is 1 minus 2 minus 3. So we have to add these two matrices in the next step. Okay, before writing the next step, so you observe this. What are the elements I am going to get here? See, so I will write in the next step here. See, 2 plus 2, what is the element? 4. Then minus 2 plus of minus 1, that is what? Minus 3. Then minus 4 plus of 1, that is minus 4 plus 1, that will be minus 3. So we have to write the corresponding elements. See, we have to take care of the signs here, that I will going to write in the next step. So b plus b dash is equal to, see, that is 2 plus 2 is 4, then minus 3, then second row is minus 3 6 2, then minus 3 2 and minus 6. So this is b plus b dash. Okay, so what we want, see, note down this step. So we want this half into, see, b plus b dash. That means we have to multiply every element by half into b plus b dash. So that is half into b plus b dash is equal to half times that matrix. So what is the matrix? 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 6 2 minus 3 2 minus 6. See, you multiply every element by half. So half into 4, half into minus 3, that I will write in the next step. Okay, half into every element. So that is, so after multiplying every element by half, so I will get 2 minus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 3 1, minus 3 by 2 1, and last element is minus 3. So this is, see here, this is equal to what? This is b plus b dash, half into b plus b dash. So see here, you leave this diagonal elements and compare the remaining elements here. Minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2, 1 is equal to 1. See, all the elements are equal. Therefore half into b plus b dash is a symmetric matrix. See, what I got on the right hand side is symmetric matrix. I have calculated this half into b plus b dash, so I am observing that it is a symmetric matrix. Okay, next we have to find out half into b minus b dash. Okay, next let us find out half into b minus b dash. So first you work out b minus b dash and multiply every element by half. So consider B minus B dash. Okay, B minus B dash, transpose of B. So let me write. See, you have to write step by step. So what is the matrix here? 2 minus 1 1, then minus 2 3, minus 2, minus 4 4, minus 3. So this is B minus transpose of this matrix is, so you have to transpose this B minus B dash. Okay, that is 2 minus 2 minus 4, then minus 1 3 4, 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this is B minus B dash. So you can write it neatly here, B minus B dash. So let me write this. See here, 2 minus 1 1, minus 2 3 minus 2, minus 4 4, minus 3. So this is the given matrix minus. So transpose is 2 minus 2 minus 4, then minus 1 3 4, 1 minus 2, then minus 3. So this is minus 3. So once again you have to subtract the corresponding elements that I will write in the next step. So that is B minus B dash is equal to, see, you have to concentrate on the signs here. So B minus B dash is equal to, so I get 0 minus 1 minus 5, 1 0 1 0 6, then 5 minus 6 0. So this is B minus B dash. So what we want? We want half into B minus B dash. Okay, so that is, therefore half into B minus B dash. So you have to write one step by step here. Half into B minus B dash is equal to, see, half into, you write the matrix here, 0, what was the matrix after subtracting? 1 0 6, 5 minus 6, it is 0. See, multiply every element by half. See, half into 0 0, half into minus 1, that is minus half, half into minus 5 by 2, half into 1 1 by 2, half into 0 0, half into 6, so you can cancel this 3, then half into 5 5 by 2, then minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3, half into 0 0. So that becomes, therefore half into B minus B dash, after multiplying every element by half, I get 0 minus half minus 5 by 2, half 0 3, then 5 by 2 minus 3 0. See here, all the diagonal elements are 0, and compare the upper half and lower half elements. See here, minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2, equal and opposite, minus half, plus 3 minus 3. So what is the conclusion here? Therefore, see, observe this. Therefore half into B minus B dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Therefore the given matrix is written as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we have written the given matrix is what? B as half into B plus B dash plus half into B minus B dash. So that is, so what is this calculation? What was this? Our half into B plus B dash. This is 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. See, minus 3 by 2 3 1, then minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3, plus, then what is this? Half into B minus B dash. Just we got this as a skew symmetric matrix. 0 minus half minus 5 by 2, then half 0 3, then last element is 5 by 2 minus 3 0. See, so write it neatly. Okay, this is a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, so this in this way see here, we have written this matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, so in the same way we can express these matrices. See, these 4 cases we have to express as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, so let us continue those problems in the next class.